Greetings, Earthling. So this is the story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. Honey, I betrayed myself, my country, and my culture, and I have become a tree hugger. Honey, I've decided to become a vegan. So look, oh my God, this is something that has been on my mind for a while. I don't know what happened or when it happened, but for some reason I've become repulsed by raw meat. And like, I don't know what it is, if it's a temporary thing, but I've just been feeling disgusted by meat. Now, I don't think you have to be completely plant-based to be healthy. I think you just eat like you got some sense. But for some reason, it has just been on my mind to be on a plant-based diet. Now, I'm not saying that I'm gonna do this for the rest of my life. I ain't even saying I'm gonna do it the rest of the year. I said I'm gonna give myself 30 days. I've heard that it takes about 21 days to change a habit. And honey, I've been loving fried chicken since 85, you understand? So I just said that I'm gonna just give it 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, I'm gonna see if, that was enough for me, if I wanna run on, see what they ain't gonna be. I don't know, but we'll see at the end of the 30 days. Hold on. First of all, shout out to Prestaholics. This is not a paid sponsorship. She is just a minority-owned business that I like to support. She made these press-ons custom for me, and I like them. So anyway, speaking about custom for me, honey, let me tell you how my husband likes to steal my swag. So this was something that I decided to do as far as being on a plant-based diet, and I shared it with him, and I just told him, because I'm the type, like, if I'm gonna do it, I have to jump in head first or it's not getting done. So I just told him one night, I was watching a Tabitha Brown video. That's my auntie. I love some Tabitha, honey. But anyway, I was watching Tabitha Brown on Instagram, and one of her videos was about having a realistic approach to a plant-based diet. And I told him, you know what? I'm gonna just do it. And then he was like, yeah, let's do it. I'm like, let's? Who is let's? And he was like, I want to do it too. And I'm like, dude, you always stealing my swag. And he's like, no, girl, I'm trying to be supportive. So I was like, all right, you want to be a supportive husband, okay? So yeah, we in the Collins household, at least for the next 30 days, will be on a plant-based diet. Now, I did do some shopping on Instacart. I got some fresh produce from Aldi. I got some other things from a local grocery store here called Schnucks. Husband is out right now, but when he gets back, we're taking a trip to Whole Foods because it's just certain things I got to get it from Whole Foods. But let me show you my current grocery haul. All right, so this is how we are starting. I got some guacamole and some hummus as a snack, some sweet potato fries because I want to do some vegan burgers and fries. I got a pasta sauce, St. Louis stand up. There's an area in St. Louis called The Hill that has some of the most amazing, listen to me, amazing Italian spots. And so I grabbed some sauce from them. I got some banana chips, some lettuce and stuff for some tacos. I love having granola for breakfast, so I just throw some raisins and like some almond milk in there. Mushrooms, spinach, oranges. My husband got this thing about it has to be a big orange or he won't touch it. Like those little kitty ones, he refuses to touch. I don't know what that's about, but anyway. I also stopped by the local Asian market and I got some jackfruit. And I kept hearing Auntie Tabitha, once again, I'm a member of the Tabish Patch. She was talking about a season very similar to this. They didn't have the exact one, but I looked at the ingredients of the one she got versus this one, and they're very similar. So I got that. Some orange juice, again, some more produce. Now, let me tell you something foolish. I was on the Instacart app, and I said, get me 4 avocados. Honey, it got me 4 bags of avocados. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this, but honey, we're gonna have a lot of guacamole. So those are just the basics. It's a few other things I didn't show y'all, but basically, in order to be successful, I wanted to have a plan in action. So I got a menu for about 5 days. And that's the thing about fresh produce and eating a plant-based diet, because this ain't my first time doing it. If you don't eat your produce, you will spoil your produce, and ain't nobody got time to be wasting the Saints' money, you understand? So I have a 5-day menu, and so I think on there we have, for breakfast, I'm doing some granola cereal. We have lunches, like some sandwiches, and then dinner. I know the first dinner I want to do like this vegan crab cake situation. I'm really excited to get started on this journey. The menu I picked is pretty simple, but it's also things that I would really, really like. So I'm looking forward to going to Whole Foods to get the rest of what we're gonna get. So anyway, that is enough talking for right now. The next time y'all see me, we will be doing a grocery run to Whole Foods, either Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, but I think Whole Foods, because sometimes I find a little bit more as far as options. But I'm really looking forward to this journey. And another thing I need to get is some toilet paper, because with all of this freshness, whoo, won't he make you clean inside? All right, so we just pulled up at Whole Foods, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is about to get on my nerves. And then, listen, I don't like humans. I don't like being around them. I prefer to just Instacart it up. I'm very meticulous when I get to going shopping, just simply because it's just like get in, get out. Make a list, stick to it, and get out. This one, on the other hand, no list, just vibes. And
ain't nobody come to see you, Otis.
my nerves.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. Well, I should say good afternoon. Low-key, y'all, I slept in this morning, so I skipped breakfast, but DJ actually did get up. Babe, say good morning. Good morning. Extra. But he actually did get up this morning and made him a bacon, egg, and cheese. I saw, once again, Auntie Tab, she was talking about these, and he let me taste his sandwich. He used this, and this is the type of bacon that we use. It was so good. And we actually found a vegan cheese that was good. Hold on. This cheese from Whole Foods was actually really good. It melted really nicely. Like, I really liked it. And so right now I'm actually making my lunch, which is a vegan BLT. I'm about to actually get the bacon off of the stove right now. I'm actually just browning it. I'm gonna let that brown just a little more, but this is a shot of the bacon. It actually has a really nice smoke taste to it. Now, it doesn't taste like bacon, but if you just want a bacon sensation, it works. So what I'm gonna do now is assemble everything else while I'm waiting on that. So I have some toasted bread right here. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of this vegan mayo, and it's from Primal Kitchen, and I'm gonna just spread that on the bread. And I actually like to use spinach, so I'm gonna put a little bit of spinach on the bread as well. And then I have some tomato slices. I'm gonna sprinkle a little Tony Shea Charade just because I'm black and we use seasoning. And then this is the tempeh bacon strips. I'm gonna put this on the cutting board and chop it. And a little bit more mayo on this other slice of bread. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this boar's head mustard. Turn off the kitchen light because it is not a night light. And now I'm gonna chop my sandwich. And let me just tell you this. If you do straight up and down and not diagonal, you're a psychopath. And voila, we got a vegan BLT. Now let me taste that. This was actually inspired by Auntie Tab. When Auntie Tab went viral, it was because she did a TTLA sandwich from Whole Foods. But I remember that's the bacon that they use, and I was just like, honey, I'm gonna make that at home. And let me tell you, it's really good. So I'm getting ready to eat my lunch. This is gonna take me a while because y'all know I had this surgery, so it's gonna take me a while. But at least vegan lunch is done, nice and filling, and it tastes amazing. See you later. Hello, my darlings. It is now time for a late night snack. I'm getting ready to cook dinner, but honestly, I could use a little bit of something on the stomach now. So here's what I'm going to do. Hummus. So I really love hummus, but it gotta be flavored. I can't take the regular smegular. So I got this roasted garlic hummus, and I really enjoy it. And then as the dipping thing that I'm gonna use with it, I have some carrots, but I'm also gonna shoot it to you straight. I don't always want no carrots. So here's what else we're gonna do. Chips. Got to balance that thing out. I ain't even gonna get on this camera and lie to y'all like I'm just only gonna eat some carrots. It's not happening. All right, so I'm going to take just a couple spoonfuls of this hummus and just like do a dooley dollop of daisy. I'm actually going to clean these carrots, even though they say it's all pre-washed. I've washed my own produce. I don't trust nobody like that, honey. So let me go ahead and clean these carrots. And then I'm just gonna take a few chips. Y'all know I don't eat a lot of food anyway, so it's probably just gonna be this much. And voila, we got a vegan snack plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my vegan snack. Go ahead and put on a shirt. Listen to me, it's quarantine, okay? I'm at home all the time. All I wear is Silky Rose. But anyway, I just bought a new food processor for tonight's dinner. and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm doing the vegan crab cakes. I'm gonna try it out, just see how it works for me. But yeah, let me enjoy my snack, and then I'll see y'all when it's time for dinner. What's up, y'all? So it has actually been a couple days since I got on camera. So my dinner that particular night, I did vegan crab cakes and a side of brown rice. I taped it, but unlike others that already know the game, I didn't know that I should probably record in the daytime, so the quality of the video is not that great, and I didn't want to show that to y'all. So I put like a clip of what my dinner looked like, and I put the link to the recipe that I used in my description box, because it once again came from Auntie Tab's Instagram page. But overall, the dinner was good. Did it taste like crab cakes? No. Okay. We won't lie. No. But it was real good. It had a nice little flavor. I just followed her recipe, and instead of Old Bay, I used Tony Shakes Race, because I ain't have no Old Bay in the house because they ain't have it near me. So anyway, we are actually on the way to a vegan restaurant. That's how I wanted to close out the video. There is a Black woman-owned vegan spot in the city of St. Louis called Sweet, and I'm really excited to try it. So we went ahead and placed our curbside order. They said it's ready, so I'm ready to go sit down and eat, because honey, mother is hungry. All right, so we currently got our food, and so we both got the same sandwich. I told y'all he always copying me. So we got the Audrey Lorde chicken sandwich, and then just to taste it, I got the vegan mac and cheese, and then, you know, there's a little unique experience. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it and see what they talking about.
The brown mac and cheese, it ain't.
Try it.
Black fried mac and cheese. Let me see. So, it's straight because it's hard to duplicate a vegan cheese dish. This is definitely way better than the mac and cheese I've had other places, for sure.
It's better than the mac and cheese I've had other places. I'm not somebody that likes a lot of vegan cheese anyways. So, you know, that's not taken away from them. That's just me personally. I don't like vegan cheese. So, let's go ahead and try these sandwiches. Oh, it looks good. So... and looking at it, I don't know if y'all can tell. It looks super good.
More pickles. Oh, there they are. Pickles at the bottom.
Okay, and it actually got a little sauce on it. I should have got extra sauce.
For sure.
So, I like it.
Hey, that chicken consistency, I don't know. They might have put a couple percent of chicken up in here or something.
Yeah, the consistency, it actually tastes like the as far as consistency goes, the chicken sandwich at Popeyes.
Even vegan, you need that sauce, so you definitely need some extra sauce, that's for sure.
Yeah. But let me tell you something. I've had their baked goods, because they have, oh, this bread is really good. I've had their baked goods because they are actually a bakery as well. Their baked goods are really good, but it was all sold out, so I couldn't show it to you. But overall, I really do like this food. So with that being said, how you been feeling since you've been on the vegan situation?
Oh, I'm good. I mean, a little lighter on my feet, I guess. It's still early in the game, so ain't about another week, but
yeah, I got on the scale. I'm down 3 pounds, so you know, shout out to that or whatever. And I haven't felt like I've been lacking anything. I still feel full. So like, I have no regrets. Now again, I'm just sticking to 30 days. What happened at the end of 30 days, we'll see. But I can commit to 30 days. But yeah, overall, I still feel good. No lacking energy or anything like that. I feel good. And
I will say to add, before I forget, if you're gonna do it, don't try to go back and forth, because it's gonna mess you up. So if you go a week without eating meat and go straight to the ribs and the chicken and the steak,
yeah,
your body gonna be like,
no sir. So yeah, just definitely baby step and plan whenever you're gonna do a change in diets. I knew that I could handle this because I did plant-based before, but at the same time, you know, make sure that you're very careful, and if you got any health situation going on, talk to your doctor. So with that being said, well, I'm pretty much done here. I want to go ahead and finish eating. He didn't care nothing about smacking on camera, but I'm trying not to, you know, do the I see food situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and go so I can finish eating, and we can cut this air back on because it's hot. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. If not, you know, we'll see you next time or whatever. Bye.